Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save as PDF in Canva. Let's begin. Saving a design as PDF in Canva is a simple process that offers numerous advantages, making it a preferred format for many users, especially for professionals and print purposes. For example, I'm working with a specific file here and I wanted to save this as PDF. I'm going to add another option here. Say this. These two images right here, I wanted to save with them as PDF. All I'm going to do is simply go to the upper right corner and click on the share button. You'll notice that you have the download option. Right now, the suggested is JPEG. But of course, just click on the drop down menu here to choose PDF standard. This one right here. When choosing PDF standard, okay, you have two more options wherein you can flatten PDF and also include notes if you wanted. If you click this one right here, it says flattening your PDF converts content of the design into a single image per page. It may increase the file size. And also, if you include notes, notes included with your download will appear under the page thumbnail. All right, so that's that. I wanted to choose the second page wherein I'm going to click on share again. Click on download. This time, I'm going to choose the PDF print, which is best obviously for printing. Now, if you do that, you see there's going to be three more options. When you click on the crop marks and bleed, it includes crop marks and bleed if you are trimming this design after printing. You have the option to download a specific page. For example, don't want to print this, all of them, just select on the page 2. Once you are happy with that, all I'm going to do is click on download now. All right. Once you have downloaded both of these PDF, you can also share this to anyone with the link. So if you are working with multiple freelancers, you can share this link right here so that they can work on it, because text and graphics remain sharp and clear in PDFs, ensuring that your designs look professional and polished when printed. Because PDFs support multi-page documents, making it easy to compile designs that span multiple pages like reports, booklets, or presentations into a single file. Combining several PDFs make it simpler to share, distribute, of course, as opposed to sending multiple files. So this is one of the best way for you to share it. Even though you are using a graphic design and publishing software programs, PDF works seamlessly with that as well. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.